Today, we're going to talk about a common issue that many PlayStation 4 users encounter, the NW-31297-2 error code. This error code indicates that your PS4 is unable to connect to a wireless network. But don't worry, because in this video, I'll guide you through the steps to fix this problem. First, let's start by checking your internet connection. Make sure that your Wi-Fi router is turned on and functioning properly. You can do this by connecting another device, like a smartphone or laptop, to the same network and see if it can access the internet. If not, you may need to troubleshoot your router or contact your internet service provider. Assuming your internet connection is working fine, let's move on to the PS4 settings. On your PS4 home screen, go to the Settings menu. From there, select Network and then Set up Internet Connection. Choose the Wi-Fi option and select your network from the list. Enter your Wi-Fi password if prompted. If you're still unable to connect, try restarting your PS4 and router. Sometimes a simple reboot can resolve connectivity issues. Turn off your PS4 and unplug the power cable from both your PS4 and router. Wait for a few minutes, then plug them back in and turn them on. If the problem persists, it's time to delve deeper into the settings. Go back to the Set up Internet Connection menu on your PS4 and choose the Custom option. Here, you'll need to manually configure your network settings. Select Automatic for IP address settings and DHCP hostname. For DNS settings, choose Manual and enter the primary and secondary DNS addresses provided by your internet service provider. Save the settings and try connecting again. If none of these steps work, it's possible that there's an issue with your PS4's network card. In this case, you may need to contact Sony support or take your console to a professional for further assistance. Remember, troubleshooting network issues can be a bit tricky, but with patience and persistence, you'll likely be able to resolve the NW-31297-2 error code and get back to enjoying your PS4 online. That's it for this video. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or other topics you'd like me to cover, please let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more.